Welcome back, guys. Here I'm again with a lecture of spoken English. Today our second lecture of spoken English. Today I will tell you about how to speak. Before starting my video, I'm very thankful to you who those are subscribe our channel, like me, like my videos and all that. And thanks again for your love and support, and I hope so you will supporting me on further time. Okay, now we are going to start our video with the topic of how to speak. How to speak is very important because everyone wants to speak but doesn't know how to speak. Today I am going to tell you that how to speak. It is a very important thing. Everyone wants to speak, so come with me. I am going to tell you that how to speak. First thing I am going to tell you that first of all, I am asking to you something that who are you? Tell me, who are you? If you are a native speaker of English, if English is your mother language, then it's not a problem to speak in English. But if you are not your English is not your mother language, then it's your problem. But here I am here to tell you that's how to solve this problem. How you can speak. In that, some techniques are used to speak some non-native speakers. First of all, that I'm going to tell you that some people say just think something English, then speak. First of all, you have to think, not think in your mother language. You have to think in English. For example, if you think in Urdu or other language, then you have to translate that words. That is a very difficult thing. But if you think in English, then it is very easy to speak. But here is a big problem. If you are not a native speaker, how can you think about English? It's a big tragedy. But here I am giving you some technique. That is, first is think, translate and speak. Think, translate and speak. Second, listen, translate and speak. Third, reading, translate and write. Here you are noticing something that translate is a common everything. You know that if you want to speak, translate is important. If you want to speak, translate is a problem. It's important. If you translate, if you want to write, translation is important. But how to translate? This is a very easy thing. You just go and listen something. First process, I have already told you in my first lecture, you have to spend time on listening. If you are not spending time on listening, you won't be able to speak. So listen. That's why I am giving this lecture in English. I can give that lecture, deliver this lecture in Urdu, but I am delivering this lecture in English. That's why you have to listen what I am saying to you. I am saying in a very easy and convenient way that you can understand what I am saying to you. Okay, the first thing is that think. For example, you are going somewhere. You just think that I am going to bazaar. Just you have to think, then translate. For example, you are thinking in Urdu, then speak in English that I am going to bazaar. Okay, first think, then speak. For example, if you are going to a school, your teacher asks to you that please come in the class, and you said, sorry sir, I'll be late. I'm late here. So, first of all, you have to think that what I have to say my teacher, then translate it and go. Okay? For example, if you are going to market, there are many grocery shops, shopping malls and all that. Try to speak English with them, because you know in this area people are not much educated. So you have to speak with them. It doesn't matter how you are speaking. Try to speak. For example, you are on a grocery shop and you have to ask that what about that lady fingers? What's the price of lady finger? If he said it's a 55 rupees per kg, you have to say, if you want to say give me some rebate, you have to say any negotiation. So he will say this no, because if don't understand that he is not understanding what I'm saying, but you have to try, because first thing is your hesitation. If you speak with this person, you will be able to speak day by day. Okay? First of all, you have to listen, then speak with the techniques. Just think, translate and speak. Think, translate and speak. That is a very good way to speak in English very well. Okay? This was our second lecture where I have told you that how to speak. First of all, you have to think, then translate, then speak. Okay? Just think in your mind. When you are going to speak something, you just first of all, you just think, then translate, then speak. Now you will say, sir, how can I translate when I don't know how to translate that thing? I don't know the rules of grammar. So I have already said that it's not a problem that how you are going to speak. For example, you want to say someone that I want a glass of water. For example, the correct sentence is that please go and fetch one glass of water. But if you said that I need a glass of water, you can inform your message. He can understand that what are you saying. He just went and fetch one glass of water. For example, you need something in your kitchen. If you are in a kitchen and you need something, you have to ask your mother, please mom, pass me that. Pass me that. Your mom understands that what are you saying. For example, you say, mom, please pass me that glass. Mom, if your mom is educated, then she understands. But if she is not educated, she just understands he is talking about the glass. Because glass is a very important glass. In every language, glass is used. So if you say, please pass me that glass, she understands that you are saying, please give me that glass. Okay? For example, if you are not going to speak English in your home, at your home, with your mom, with your dad, with your brother, with your sister, with your friends, then it is not easy to speak in English. Okay? I will hope, because you know that we have created a WhatsApp group. Here are some foreigners from all the country, from all the world. People are there, and we conversate, we speak in English. We are giving some assignment of speaking English. We are giving some assignment of lectures. We are giving assignment of conversation, listening, speaking, and everything. You have to join our lecture, and please subscribe our channel, because our upcoming videos you will receive. And don't forget to share with your friends who want to speak in a very good way. Okay? Thank you so much. Allah.